It's New Year's, man. New Year's. You got any special plans? Or just hanging out in the graveyard? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Mike, living with 3M. This is Zeus, my 2018 Raptor. You guys tuned into this video wanting to see some fog lamp install? You've come to the right place. Wait, I didn't do it right. Hang on. Bobby, where you at? There we go. Yeah, got that amber backlight on the fog lamps, and then when you turn them on, they come on. All right, I'll go ahead and tell y'all that these rigid lights, they come down here. This is available backlight colors. And what the backlight is, it's lighting around the edges. So you've got your clear white in the middle is what I'll have. And I chose to go with amber. I went with the amber. So that's just like the rest of my lighting on the Raptor. So we're going clear for the main fog lamp and amber for the backlight surrounding. Wow, very nice. It comes with 3 bare wires. This is going to be, the white is going to be your backlight, the amber backlight around. Red's going to be your main lighting, power, 12 volt, and black's ground. So this plastic end kit or terminal kit, so once this is on, it's just plug and play after I assembled all of these together. So it'll be a simple plug and play into the main wiring harness here. That's what these will go to. You'll notice these came with soldered tips. I always cut those off right below the solder, and now I'll strip them back because I'd rather have just my connection with the bare wire than the solder. I've had issues with connections through pre-soldered wires before, so strip those back. Now I'm going to twist them, and then we're going to insert them into our pins. It shows that it should go this way, white on top, red in the middle, and black on the bottom. I'm going to push those in to the grommets, go as far as they can. All right, so I'm going to come out here and mount these brackets. Hey, what are you doing over there? Hey, man. Oh, you come to give me some help. Everybody, it is my good friend Bobby Bones is in the house, guys. Yes, thanks, man. I appreciate all the help. Gonna be installing these fog lamps. Yeah, all right, so let's get these brackets done, man. Thanks for the help, brother. So you can see, mount them with the hardware. I have not tightened anything down yet, so I can get in here and position them where I want to. All right, now that you've got those in there and they're fairly snug, I would snug them down, but I would not torque them down, so we can adjust them later tonight, like I said. Next is gonna be our wiring. And for the backlight, I've got this thing here. Okay, so what this is going to do, we're going to have to remove this, and I'm thinking he's right under there. We may not even have to remove it. Maybe just pull it up right there. I don't know. So let me check this out, and I will let y'all know if you gotta take this off. If you do, it's just these little push pins. Yeah, it's gonna be a push clip, I thought. There it is. Okay, and they said it should fit only one way, so we'll double check that. It's gonna be like this. There it is, clipped in. Clipped in. All right, we'll loosen this because this is going down to our T connection to the lights. This is going to be our backlight. So apparently this is our lighting, our parking lights, that we can use the backlight from the parking lights. All right, got these fished up to where I need them. So we'll connect the ground right here where the old one came out, and I will run these behind the battery over in that direction. Hey, man, I told you to disconnect that battery before you started messing around with electricity. What'd I tell him? I grounded to this bolt right here, but you guys can find a ground anywhere you choose. All right, I'll be running some of these wires back here behind the battery. And if you guys remember this, check out my other video. You'll be glad you did. All right, I've got my wire run from the center, the parking light. Connect the white wire to the white plug on the harness. That's the backlights, the amber backlights. Then the 3 wires labeled 1, 2, and 3. So this splitter takes it from 3 down to 1. So all 3 of these go to one of your auxiliary wires. So now let's tuck all these away back down in here. All right, I'm gonna look, made my 3 connections to the passenger side fog lamps. I'll zip tie that out of the way, but I made this wire to the driver's side come under here, I don't know if you can see that, and over the frame coming out here. I'm gonna connect all 3 of these to that, zip tie those out of the way. Okay, any questions?
I got one for you.
Okay, shoot.
Where do skeletons go to have their trucks worked on? Over at the body shop. Get it?
Well, that's about stupid as hell. Damn, it's bright. There where I am. Yeah. Backlight. Don't you love it?